Welcome to Time for Change Kitchen. I'm Danielle Bassoni. I want to teach you how to make these wonderful marinated beets for a sandwich that is just so delicious. But in order to do that, we have to cook our beets first. So I thought I'd take this opportunity to show you how to cook beets in your Instant Pot. First, we'll have to put in our basket and 1 cup of water. 1 cup of water is the minimum water that you can use when pressure cooking anything in your Instant Pot. And to that we'll add beets. And I like using fairly large beets, and it's important to wash these thoroughly, but cut the stems off here. Don't cut it off into the beet, because you'll lose a lot of your color and nutrition into the water. When you cut it here, you're just losing the nutrition and color from the stem. But if you cut into the beet, you'll be losing a lot more. So it's important just to cut the stem off. And so we'll add these 3 beets. They usually come in 3s. And we'll replace the lid. And we'll make sure that this toggle is on seal. And then we're going to put this on manual for 20 minutes. So this will release naturally. So this is going to take quite some time. It'll take 5 to 10 minutes to come to pressure, then it'll be 20 minutes counting down, and then it'll go to warm, and it'll take another 20 or 25 minutes before this will release naturally. If I were to cook this on my stovetop pressure cooker, this will be finished in 20 minutes. It'll take 5 minutes to come to pressure, and in 15 minutes my beets will be done. But I can walk away and leave this, and so it's worth it to me to take the time to do it in my Instant Pot, because I can just turn it on. Now I can come back in 30 minutes or 45 minutes and my beets will be done. So there you have it. We'll be back after these have released naturally, and when this comes to pressure, this little pressure valve will pop up, and when it releases, it'll go back down, and so that's when we know it's done and it's safe to remove the lid. Okay, we'll be back in 30 minutes or so. Okay, we're back. The beets have, the pressure has released naturally, and it's safe to open the lid now. Get some of that water out of it. And the way to know if your beets are done is if you can stick a skewer through them, they're done. Okay. So we're finished with this. And I just want to show you a quick way to peel beets. You just take a paper towel and just rub the skin off. These are still a little hot to handle, but not too hot. And this may stain your fingernails, and the way to get rid of that is just pour some vinegar over your hands and it'll take it right off. Alright, so that's one down. The little stem thing will just pull right off. And the skin just slides right off. Okay, there's 2. So that's all there is to it. So there you have it. Beets cooked in your Instant Pot. No trouble at all. I'm Danielle Bassoni, serving up whole foods for whole health.